So with it, guys, this is actually a video. Like probably in this video, we're actually going to be talking about the divergence trading with the DT strategy. With the divergence trading strategy. So I shared the ebook, and just to for better understanding for the guide of the ebook, I'm dropping this video. So now, basically, you actually need an indicator for this. Mind you, when you're actually trading DT strategy, I would actually like you to use the idea, have the normal idea, normally what you are trying to do before you use this. You understand? Because this DT strategy is actually just to know when a reversal wants to occur or a retracement wants to occur. So when you're trading these DT strategies, I will urge you to trade alongside with the trend or trade alongside with the movement of what you think is actually going to happen in the higher time frame. So for instance, now, if I'm trading V25, let's use V25 as an example. Let me go to the 24 hours time frame in V25. So basically, I beg you guys to buy this ebook Market Pro, because it's actually go a long way for me if I'm actually doing some free videos for you guys so that you guys will actually understand. So now, around this particular time, the date's not showing. This particular candlestick, you understand? So let's just say there was a change in direction here, right? So definitely, this is a daily time frame. So if you ready, I think it's around chapter 3, talking about the time frame and bias. So looking at the daily time frame, we saw there was a reversal candlestick, you understand, on the daily time frame, which is our this, I think it's dragonfly doji. So the type of doji, dragonfly doji. So now, so definitely, let's just say now we're actually looking for a sell. You understand? So maybe using this place as our TP or anywhere as our TP, or because we already have a reversal candlestick. So today's market in V25 has been selling. That's it. This candlestick returns today, 24 hours. So now we're looking for an opportunity to sell or an opportunity to buy. But if you look at this place now, we'll see this place as if there's a BOS happened here, which is a break of structure. Definitely, this might be a little bit of a retest. You understand? And it has to react. The price has to react when getting there. So, but let's switch to a lower time frame. Or before that, you can actually now look at the indicator. Let's input the indicator because it works in all time frame. Relative strength index. You make it to be 14. How do I get to? Delete, double click. Okay, it's already 14 if you can see. It's already 14 here. So now, let's look for a divergence here. Okay. This is not a divergence. Okay. This is not a divergence. Okay. We are looking for a divergence here. Yeah, I think we spot a divergence. So now we know there's a reversal, guys. Now look at me, guys. So now, if you can see, this one is coming like this. And look, judging with the RIS is actually going in other ways. That is, see, it's coming here. So this divergence. Normally, the market is coming like this, slanting like this. The market should also slant like this, but making it in a how will I say it, in a different way. It's called divergence. So now we spot the divergence. So definitely that's one of the reasons why this thing is coming down, and now it's coming down. So do you understand this now, guys? Follow me for more tips. You understand? Just so see if you know you want to, just subscribe. Click on the like button because I'm actually going to be dropping so many tips. So you don't want to be left out. You don't really want to be left out. So that's it. So now let's go to a higher time frame and check for, you can't actually enter sell now because this is more or less like a, how will I say it, like a premium price. So we actually tend to enter trades at a very, very discounted price. You understand? What I mean by a premium price is like we can tend to enter now and the market might try to retrace. No, we need a an entry that at least if the market wants to go for a little loss before going to a movement, it shouldn't be more than -$3 or -$1. So now let's go to a lower time frame around, let's say, 1 hour. We already know we are going for a sell. So just to know what's actually happening in the markets. So now judging this, we still don't really have an entry yet, guys. We don't really have an entry yet. We really don't have an entry yet. But let's try and look for more. And if you notice here too, guys, here to here, this is another divergence. If you guys notice, can you see this? And mind you, can actually have another one. Like, let me try and explain. Okay, there's no divergence here. If you later happen this, okay, this one came here, this one came here. Not really strong. Let's look at this. So now, guys, divergence really happened here, but it didn't actually go for a long period of time, guys. You understand? So why if you're actually trading divergence, you will understand all these things quite well. This is actually divergence too. Because I think this is the eye of the candlestick. So definitely it will come like this. But you just also have to be good when it comes to how will I say it? Taking your stop loss, you understand, guys. When you're taking your stop loss, sorry, I said stop loss, I'm talking about take profit. When you're taking your take profit, always make sure that your nearest, always take note of your nearest, how will I say it? Your nearest insignificant support or resistance. What I mean by insignificant support or resistance, what I mean is like the particular price, either low or high, at which when the market got there, there's a change in direction. For instance, now, this was the resistance before, insignificant resistance. But with time, it came here. Can you see the market actually obeyed it when it came here? So someone like you now,